Hi everybody! I'm making this video windswept and interesting looking because I have just taken all your parcels to the post office. I'm really excited. This is what you're going to receive, exactly this, literally in an envelope. So apologies for that. Normally we would hope to personalise it in some way and write you guys a little card and say hello and all that, but instead we're going to do that by video and through email. So this is our precious potion that theoretically should really help with hyperpigmentation. The question we have is it greater than the sum of its parts? Because like with Wonder Balm, with all our other products, the individual ingredients are incredible. But when we put them all together, it makes something even better. With Wonder Balm, for example, this should help with hyperpigmentation. But unlike Wonder Balm, where we could test it over and over again ourselves, we need you guys, and we're not going to know whether it's any good unless you guys tell us that it is. Now, when you receive it, you will notice it does not smell like any of our other products. And I'm not going to lie, it reeks to high heaven. Because it works, right? Because it's got some really exciting stuff in there. Now, what this should do is it should work in quite a few different ways to help your hyperpigmentation. But hyperpigmentation is one of those really annoying things that takes ages to clear, right? Because it takes ages to arrive. So what I want you to do is after you have cleansed and before you do anything else, I want you to take a few drops of this beautiful oil, which smells really alcoholic. There's no alcohol in it. And what I want you to do is just concentrate over your areas of hyperpigmentation, your nose, wherever yours is, right? You can put it all over your skin, okay? Now, what I want you to do is leave that for it to have time to work before you apply any other products, okay? So although it is an oil, it is a treatment oil, so it's slightly different than anything else. So just leave that, give it time, and then after you've brushed your teeth or done whatever you want to do until this soaks in, then you can carry on with the rest of your skincare routine, right? The two things I'm going to ask of you is that you try and keep it up and wear SPF. Right? Because here's the issue. It's going to be like, you know, dealing with the tides. If you are using this and it's working, but the sun's starting to shine and you're going out, all your skin is going to be doing is having this push-pull scenario, okay? So today is the day where you formally start to use SPF absolutely every single day. And what I want you to do is think about SPF as like a total superhero ingredient that will give you anti-aging properties. See, instead of just thinking of it being a prevention thing, think about it as a super positive thing that's going to give you something. And what it will do is it will allow this to have time to work. Now, some of you might have hyperpigmentation because of acne scarring and things like that, but the same still applies because it is just this idea of having a build-up of this colour in your skin, whether it's from scarring or whether it's from the sun, okay? So if you can, get that SPF on every single day. Keep in touch with us. Let us know what you think. At every point, we're always here. We're happy to hear everything. And the truth is, we cannot do this without you. We cannot just test this on our own. We can't know whether or not this is going to work without a really broad range of people all trying it with different skin types and seeing what result everybody gets. Theoretically, this should be an absolute magic potion. But what we need to know is it all coming together in the right way that's getting you these incredible results that will take time, but that are happening really, really naturally and are not just bleaching your skin, which is the alternative with all this. So all natural, completely should be superhero. Let's see. Can't wait to hear from you.